Boom! Higgsfield has finally released Canvas, their own version of creative workspaces similar to Freepik Spaces and Magnific. The biggest advantage? Everything now works inside a single, unified workspace, making the entire creation process far more organized and efficient. Before Canvas, advanced Higgsfield creators often needed extra tools and subscriptions like Freepik or Magnific to complete their workflows. But now, Higgsfield brings all those capabilities together in one place. Canvas introduces a node-based workflow system. In simple terms, you can connect multiple AI tools and editing steps into one continuous pipeline instead of switching between different apps. For example, a text prompt node creates a script. The script automatically connects to video generation. The generated video then links to audio, music, or effects. Each step flows naturally into the next, almost like building with connected blocks. This makes content creation faster, cleaner, and much more flexible for creators who want full control over their workflow. Would you like me to show a simple visual diagram of how these connected nodes work? Or would you prefer a detailed step-by-step example of a real workflow inside Canvas? Let's dive in. Once you enter the Higgsfield website and get there, you'll immediately land on a page that looks like this. It's not difficult at all. You simply scroll a little and you'll see this new feature called Canvas, or you can click it from the top here. Done. Now you're inside a page that looks like this. You can see they tell you, generate stunning media with AI Canvas. This workspace can basically be positioned anywhere you want, just like you're seeing here. But now let me show you the most important things. You scroll down a little and you'll see where it says, Create New Canvas. Then click it. After clicking, they immediately take you to a page that looks like this. There are three things here. The first is Prompt Box. The second is Image Generator. The third is Video Generator. But honestly, you can ignore those for now because they're only showing examples of what you can do. Then click here on Dismiss, and you'll reach a page that looks like this. Now this is where the important part starts, so follow carefully because what I'm about to explain matters a lot. Here they show you many tools you can use like Select, Pan, Draw, Sticky Note, Shape, Text, Arrow, Sticker, Comment, and Add Node. But once you click the plus icon, you'll see even more things you can do such as Prompt, Image Generator, Video Generator, Voice Generator, and LLM Assistant. Then, under References, you'll find Upload and Assets. You'll also notice other things like VoiceOver, Change Voice, and Translate for people who want to change language. Now the first step, go to your files and choose the image you want to use, then drag and drop it into your workspace. There, now it has been uploaded. Another thing you need to know, click Add and choose Prompt. There, we added it. But listen carefully. Normally on this website, people use ChatGPT or other tools to write prompts, but honestly, that's not even necessary anymore. That's why I personally removed the prompt writing step because it's no longer important. Now let me show you a much better method. Go back to Add and click this thing called LLM Assistant. Now we're about to connect everything together. Watch carefully how this works. Click this small icon that looks like an image and connect it like this. So basically now everything is connected together. Next, let's choose the idea we want to work on. For example, I'm going here into my Google Doc because I had already written my idea there, so I don't waste time typing during the tutorial. I simply copy it, then paste it into my LLM Assistant. Since everything is already connected, it will now automatically create a strong prompt based on your idea. When you click here, you'll see many featured models like Claude Sonnet 4.6, Claude Opus 4.7, GPT 5.5, GPT 5.4 Mini, Gemini 3.1 Pro from OpenAI and Google. You can see there are many models available. Personally, I selected Claude Sonnet 4.6, then clicked Generate. It doesn't take long at all. Wait a little. Done. Now you can see it created a really good prompt based on both my idea and my image. Of course, if you want, you can still edit it and customize it however you like. It works perfectly. Next, click Add again and insert the image generator. Resize your workspace a little so everything fits nicely. Now we've added it successfully. Then connect your image to the image generator like this. After that, also connect the LLM Assistant to the image generator. Those connections are all that's required. If all this feels difficult, you can simply copy the prompt created by the LLM Assistant and manually paste it into the image generator. Then here you can choose whichever model you want. When we click here, we can see models like Higgsfield Sol 2.0, Sol Cinema, GPT Image 2, Seedream 5.0 Lite, Seedream 4.5, Nano Banana Pro, and Grok Imagine. Use whichever one you want. Personally, I use GPT Image 2. Then click Run Pipeline and your image immediately starts generating. Done. It's finished. Now look, I'm inside water exactly the way I requested. Next, let's create our video. Click Add again, then choose Video Generator and place it inside your workspace. Now connect the image we created and also connect the LLM Assistant prompt to the video generator. As you can see, now both the image and the prompt are fully connected. There's nothing else needed. Then here under Video Model, you can choose whichever model you want like Cdance 2.0, Cdance 2.0 Fast, Kling 3.0, Grok Imagine, Minimax Hailuo, OpenAI Sora 2, Google Veo, WAN, and many others. All of them generate videos. Personally, I selected Cdance 2.0 because it's new. Then when you click here, they show you that the duration can go up to 15 seconds. For resolution, there's 480p, 720p, and 1080p. If you want full HD, choose 1080p. For aspect ratio, there are many options too. 16:9 is best for YouTube long-form videos. 21:9 is great for cinematic content. 9:16 is perfect for shorts and reels. Personally, I selected 16:9 because it's the best for YouTube long videos. Then, under Generate Audio, switch it on. For batch size, choose how many videos you want to generate at once, like 1, 2, 3, or 4. Of course, generating many videos at the same time uses more credits, so let's create only one. Then click Generate. Now look at our video. After that, simply click Download. Honestly, it's not difficult at all. And as you can see, all these beautiful AI videos people are making are created exactly like this. Now let's make one final example so everything becomes even clearer and less confusing. Again, start by adding your LLM Assistant. Then connect your image and the LLM Assistant together. Write any idea you want and click Generate. Next, add your image generator. Connect both your image and the prompt generated by the LLM Assistant. Then click Generate and your image starts creating. Done. Our image has finished generating. After that, add your video generator. Connect the generated image and the LLM Assistant script. Then click Generate. Done. Now look at the video it created for me. Since you've now seen the final result, tell me in the comments what you think. But first, let me show you one more important thing. If you click Share, you can invite other people and work together as a team. You simply change it from private to public. Then here you can invite someone by typing their email address. If you scroll down to permissions, you can choose things like anyone can join, and under default role, you can choose viewer or collaborator. If you want to give someone full access, choose collaborator. Then under other settings, you can choose options like visible on community and viewers can send messages, which you can turn on or off depending on what you want. Finally, click Invite to send the invitation. There's also Team Chat, where your group can communicate together, leave comments about projects, or even call each other. And if you scroll lower, you can also use arrow tools or draw tools to sketch things directly inside the workspace. So guys, that's everything about Higgsfield Canvas. As you've seen, it's honestly not difficult at all. Everything works step by step, and everything is inside one single workspace. This makes AI content creation much faster, more professional, and far smoother than before. Canvas is one of the most powerful features Higgsfield has added, because now you can create images, videos, prompt engineering, audio, and even collaborate with your team all in one place without jumping between multiple websites. If this video taught you something or gave you a new idea, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you'd like us to cover in the next video. And if you want me to show you how to create cinematic AI videos, realistic AI influencers, or viral YouTube shorts using these tools, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and see you in the next one.